Chapter 20 Bhagdat. Bhagdat. Bhagdat means stampede. Stampede is when people or animals are on a wild rush. They are running here and there. So, this is a poem about an old woman. She has so many animals in her home. Let's find out what they are doing. बुढ़िया चला रही थी चक्की पूरे 60 वर्ष की पक्की. Budhiya means an old woman. What was she doing? She was working at the chakki. Chakki means a millstone. A millstone is traditionally used to grind cereals like wheat. So the old woman was sitting at her millstone grinding wheat or some other cereal. How old was she? पूरे 60 वर्ष की पक्की. Pura means full. 60. Pakki for sure. So she was 60 years of age for sure. But she has completed 60 years of age. दोने में थी रखी मिठाई. Dona is a type of bowl. So the old woman has kept some mithai or sweet in that bowl. Now what happened? उस पर उड़कर मक्खी आई. Makki means housefly. Udkar ana means to come flying. So a housefly came flying and sat on the sweet. बुढ़िया बांस उठाकर दौड़ी बिल्ली खाने लगी पकौड़ी. So seeing the housefly sitting on her sweet, what did the old woman do? बांस उठाकर दौड़ी. दौड़ना means to run. बांस is a bamboo stick. Uthakar means lifting. So the old woman took her bamboo stick and then ran. For what? To scare the housefly away. Now what happened? Billi khane lagi pakodi. So there are so many animals in her home. Now the cat, Billi, started eating her pakodi. Pakodi is a snack. छपटी बुढ़िया घर के अंदर. कुत्ता भागा रोटी लेकर. So now seeing the cat eating her snack, what did the old lady do? Chapati budhiya ghar ke andar. Chapatna means to rush. Andar means inside. So she rushed inside her home to shoo away the cat. Now what happens? Kutta bhaga roti lekar. Kutta is dog. Bhagna means to run away. Roti is chapati. So a dog ran away with her chapati. So it is total chaos and confusion in her home. बुढ़िया तब फिर निकली बाहर बकरा घुसा तुरंत ही भीतर. So the old lady, after running behind the cat and the dog, finally came outside. निकली बाहर means came outside. Now what happened? बकरा घुसा तुरंत ही भीतर. Bakra is a goat. So seeing this opportunity, a goat quickly ran inside her home. तुरंत means quickly. भीतर means inside. बुढ़िया चली गिर गया मटका. Now the old woman has to run after the goat. So she got up and rushed. Now what happens? गिर गया मटका. Matka is a pot. Girna means to fall down. So maybe she knocked a pot down. तब तक वह बकरा भी सड़का. So by the time the old woman got up and rushed and knocked the pot down, by that time bakra sadaka. Sadaka means ran away or escaped. The goat escaped. बुढ़िया बैठ गई तब धक्कर सौंप दिया बिल्ली को ही घर. So the old lady was so tired after running around so much. She sat down and she had no energy in her to deal with these animals anymore. So what did she do? सौंप दिया बिल्ली को ही घर. सौंप दिया means handed over. So she handed over her house to the cat. What does that mean? the animals were giving her a hard time and she did not have any energy to deal with them. So she let the animals do whatever they wanted to do as if they owned her house. कौन कौन आया? बुढ़िया को परेशान करने कौन कौन आया? चित्र बनाओ. So we have to make pictures of all the animals that troubled the old woman. So we know there was a housefly, a cat, a dog and a goat. कौन किसके साथ? मिलाओ. We have to match correctly. So Budhiya, she was sitting at the chakki. Makki came and sat on the mithai. Billy ate pakodi. Kutta ran away with roti. कविता में किसके बाद कौन आया? We have to write the correct order in which the animals came. सबसे पहले, first of all, the housefly came. मक्की, उसके बाद, after that, बिल्ली, उसके बाद, कुत्ता, अंत में, and finally, बकरा, goat.